This, the inside has very little finish on it, but the outside still has a significant amount of varnish on it, which Bob tells me, and you can see it on this one. Let's flip this over also. Bob tells me that this varnish is extremely tough, and it's a little hard to see here, but I can feel it under my hand that it's still there. It's very rough. I don't know what type of varnish it was. It was 1906 something. It was really good in a sense, though it didn't. It would turn black and tended to alligator. So it wasn't a good finish, but it certainly did stick to the wood. Now we also have another sash. Cut for a second. I'll bring it. As we looked at pictures of the locomotive, we discovered that originally these side sash were one large piece of glass, which you can see is quite vulnerable. And so at some point they added this cross rail, and you can see it was just tacked in with nails here, and it's some kind of other kind of wood. Also, these are repaired. This may have been made at Seashore, or it may have been made at the Atlantic Shore or Gulf Utilities, we don't know. But this sash, I think, is salvageable. But we're debating as to whether to put this piece back in or not. With the smaller piece, it is obviously less vulnerable to smashing. We'll have to look at pictures to see when they put these in. The original photographs, you can see they aren't there, but later they were added. All right, now we have another piece of special sash here. Now this is going to require some special glass to fit around the curves. Actually, that's not true. It's warped quite badly. I don't know why this one should have warped, though as I feel this wood that it's made of, this is oak, and oak will bend like that if it's not properly evenly exposed to moisture on both sides. This may have been some kind of repair that they had to make. So this is definitely a case for total repair. I mean, whether we can use one or two of the pieces, I doubt it very much. So we'll make a new sash. The other sash is all repairable, salvageable. You can see that the big sash did survive. Notice how loose the glass is, and obviously that's all got to be taken apart and resealed. So this one's salvageable. One of them is not. I think that's all that needs to be said.